What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Rye, and we are back with another. Alright, so tonight, y'all, I'm going to be cooking dinner for my friends. I actually don't even know what I'm about to make. I plan to kind of just go in the kitchen and wing it. I took out some salmon earlier, though, so hopefully that's defrosted. That's literally the only part of my dinner that is for certain. Everything else is kind of just going to be, let's go with the flow. Let's just see what I got. Let's make something shake because I'm just that confident in my cooking skills. But yeah, I haven't seen my friends in like a month. I've been home for the holidays. So I just got back to school, got back to my apartment. Now I got settled in and everything yesterday. So normally I do dinner every Sunday at my house, but I got back on a Sunday. So we're going to do dinner tonight. All my friends are not coming over tonight just because some of them have work. But you guys will get to talk with the girls and get to hear some of our little kikis and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to put my hair up in a ponytail, and then I'm about to go straight into the kitchen and get started, and you guys can cook with me. Salmon. This is what it look like. Yeah. My salmon, real simple, straight to the point. Nothing too crazy. I'm actually not even sure if I want to put this salmon in the air fryer or if I want to do it in the oven.
Alright, y'all, I'm not sure what was going on with my light at this point in the video, but just bear with me. We gonna get it right.
This is a pretty big piece of salmon. And y'all, yes, I wash my hands. Please don't do me. But I actually gotta wash them again because I need to get the seasoning that we are going to be using. And I'm gonna get that after I finish washing my hands. I'm gonna get the seasoning. And then I'm gonna show y'all. And I'm also gonna decide what the sides are gonna be. So when I come back, I'm gonna know what sides we have in. I'm gonna know my seasoning. And I'm gonna know how I'm gonna cook it because I still don't know. That's kind of up in the air. So yeah, we'll be right back.
Alright, so I'm just gonna finish seasoning my salmon. Okay, and then I'm going to chop up some garlic and some onions and some butter, and I'm gonna slice up my salmon so that I could stuff that stuff in there, and then I'm gonna cook it, and then I'll be right back. Well, actually, I'm gonna show y'all as I do all of that, so I'll be right back. Okay, so here I'm just preheating my oven to I'm gonna put it on 375. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do 375. I'm gonna let this preheat. Yeah, and then I'm just go ahead and finish seasoning my salmon. Okay, I'm gonna take my piece of salmon and I am going to I'm going to slice it, not completely through, but just enough so that when I cut these onions and this garlic and this butter up, it has a place to sit instead of just, being free for all on, everywhere. So yeah, so I just cut it like that, and you can see the slits. I'll rinse my knife off, and now I'm going to chop up some garlic.
She just let me know, but it's sure no
It ain't safe around here, but she's still gonna hold. Let me turn my water off. Next, I'm gonna chop up some onion to put with my salmon as well. Probably not even half, maybe like a quarter of an onion. I kind of just want it for flavor. That's it. Like I said, I'm not going to use this whole half. I think I'm literally going to just use a quarter. I'm trying to peel the onion first. Half of this. She just let me know, but it's sure no fit. It ain't safe around here, but she's still gonna hold on. It ain't. Alright, so now all I am going to do is take these onions from the chopping board and just literally sprinkle, 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 sprinkle all over the salmon. You don't even have to necessarily be on top, but yeah. So that's that. At least it look like it's really just butter and garlic. Just pour this all over. And it look like this. And then I'm gonna put some foil on top, and it's on 375. So I'm literally gonna put this in the oven. Before you guys put your salmon in the oven, it should look like this. I put the foil on top, but just make sure that you guys poke some holes so you get some steam going. You don't want to burn your salmon. Like that. This is what's going on over here. She just let me know, but it's sure no fit. It ain't safe around here, but she's still gonna hold on. It ain't safe around here, but she doesn't run from right lust, guns, drugs, violence, lust, guns, drugs, violence. Ooh, won't let you go. Alright y'all, so that just about concludes this video. Dinner was great. It was great. It was really good. My friends actually didn't end up coming over. Plans changed, but they're still gonna eat. I'm gonna make them a plate. They'll pick it up another day, so that's cool too. Night's gonna be real chill. But if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so that you guys can get an update every single time that I drop a new video. Also, if you guys like this segment, we calling it Cooking on a Budget for college students. Let me know, you guys, because this is literally what I do basically every day of the week. So yeah, if you guys are interested to know some more of like my little recipes, I guess, or renditions of dishes and, you know, affordable food, let me know, and I will be happy to bring that to you guys. So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and can't wait to talk with you.